How to create realistic face swap between Haaland and Messi. Stop doing this. Instead, try this. Using the lasso tool, select the face and copy it. Now, paste and adjust the eyes and eyebrows. For an easier way, decrease the opacity. Which player, in your professional opinion, truly deserves the Ballon d'Or? Share your thoughts in the comments. Make some corrections if needed. Select the pixels of the face layer. Now, set the opacity back to 100%. Click on the body layer, go to Select, then Modify, then Contract, and contract by 10 pixels and delete. Finally, select both layers, go to Edit, then Auto Blend Layers, and choose Panorama. For a more realistic effect, duplicate the body layer. Create a mask and blend it using a brush. Share your perspective in the comments below. Who do you think embodies the future of football more, Messi with his seasoned experience or Haaland with his youthful prowess? Select a portion of the photo similar to mine, create a duplicate, and then rotate horizontally. Now repeat the same process as before. First, select the pixels. Then go to Select, followed by Modify, and set the pixels to 10 pixels, and then click Delete. And finally, in the last step, select both layers, go to Edit, then choose Auto Blend Layers, select Panorama, and click OK. Now we have the popular football star Haaland with Messi's face.